How to find diamonds in Minecraft. So first you will need a minimum of a iron pickaxe to basically mine out a diamond. And first just open up your coordinate. So click on F3 on your keyboard, and as you can see, I'm currently on the depth of 80 and my Y coordinate. So you need to be on at least like negative 53 or 58 deep to find diamonds. So let's say I'm just gonna dig out till I go to like the negative Y depth right here. So I'm just gonna dig till I get to the bottom right here. Let's see if we'll find any diamonds. So I'm currently on a depth of 31, so I'm just gonna keep going. And now as you can see, I'm currently on the negative 50s right here. And now let's try to find if there are some diamonds in this area. There's lava right here. So what you can do is just simply go around right here, try to do some strip mining. So basically strip mining is go, making a straight path right here, and if you don't find any, go back, go 2 blocks, 1 2. So there's lava right here, so I want you to do that, but let's say 1 2 blocks right here and make another path just like that. So just repeat this process again and again till you basically find your diamonds. But for me, I'm just gonna go deeper right here and see if I get any luck finding some diamonds. And here, as you can see, we now have our first diamond right here. So we will basically need an iron pickaxe or a minimum of an iron pickaxe to get diamond block. So first, let's get your iron pickaxe and just simply destroy it. So I'm currently on creative, that's why I'll only get one hit to it. But if I transfer it to survival, this is the time that I can mine the diamond. So as you can see, I already have diamond right there. So if we found a diamond here, so might as well just dig up around. And as you can see, I already found one more. So just dig up on a straight path right here. So this is what I call the strip mining. And I see there are more diamonds right here. So just keep digging on a straight path, and if you don't find diamonds anymore, so see there's lava right there. So if you don't find diamonds anymore, just make another one. So 2 blocks. After that, just make a path again so that you could farm diamonds just like that. And that's how I basically find diamonds in Minecraft.